Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard, and like LeBron James. I'm taking my talents to South Beach because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and in today's video, I got a mystery pickup on deck. I want to say it comes from Supreme, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you guys, and yeah. So, as I'm recording this, is actually the day before my vacation, and yeah, just know that you're going to be seeing some Miami Rolling Loud content coming very soon. I'm actually supposed to be meeting up with some people. I'm actually supposed to be at a beach party right now, honestly, but it didn't work out very well. Honestly, I did not plan Rolling Loud accordingly. Like, I definitely should have stepped my game up on this one. Granted, there were some unforeseen circumstances, but yeah, next year we're running it back and we're going to do it way bigger and better. So just know that's coming. But anyway, road to 1,000 subscribers starts right now. You guys have been killing it with the subscribe. Keep it up, and I do appreciate it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get it. Guys, so unfortunately, your boy had to switch airlines pretty much at the last minute. So I'm actually now going with Spirit, which, yeah, I love Spirit so much. It is my favorite airline. If y'all can't peep the sarcasm in my voice, then I don't know what to tell you. Your perception is very off. But yeah, Spirit is definitely a very interesting plane company. Like, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't know if you've seen the movie Soul Plane. They're neck and neck. Like, if I had to sum up what a real life Soul Plane would look like, it would definitely be Spirit Airlines. But they're cheap, so it is what it is. Anyways, let's take a toast to the Monster Club with some Henny. And all this damn packing I have to do because I'm very last minute, not gonna lie. And I have to actually switch bags because Spirit Airlines, they charge your arm or leg for another bag. So, again, Spirit. But anyway, enough talking. Let's just get right into this bag that I don't know what it is. And random fun fact, I actually just saw a small tear in my Alice in Wonderland jersey, and I'm like, bruh. I just switched out the shirt that I ordered earlier, so yeah, now the jersey has a hole in it, so yeah, bag 1,000. Anyway, we got the shirt. Oh, okay. So it is not the Supreme shirt that I thought it was. But this works out so much more beautifully because it actually is an artist that is performing at Rolling Loud tomorrow, Saturday. And his concerts get a little insane, you know? Just like the Astroworld concert, RIP to those poor people. But yeah, it is the Cactus Jack tennis shirt. I actually forgot I ordered this. But yeah, it is a tennis shirt. And it's in collaboration with Travis Scott. So here it is on the back. Tenet, Time Runners. Time Runs Out. Tenet featuring Triumph by Travis Scott. Only in theaters 2020. Oh, makes this shirt that much more fun. But here it is, Tenet, a film by Christopher Nolan. Yeah, like, this is like a really weird Travis Scott tie-in shirt, but I think it's cool nonetheless, and I'm actually really excited to have it in the collection while I wear it this weekend. Hell no, because it's going to be hot as shit out there in Miami, but it's still dope. I'm glad I have it now. Guys, that's going to do it for this quick pickup video. Check out my new Travis Scott Tenet shirt. Honestly, I have seen the movie, and it was super weird, so it is what it was, but here's the rest of me drinking my Henny. Your boy has quite a lot of stuff to do today. I still gotta actually book my hotel, but that seems to be the easiest part of this whole process because the flight was, yeah, waiting 2 days cost me $200 more, but yeah, that's kind of on me, so I can't complain too much. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to having a fun vacation. And again, I'm going to be bringing you guys along for the ride. Subscribe, join me, and I'll probably be posting that video maybe Monday, so I'll probably have like a free day or whatever to kind of kick back and just kind of chill. So I expect that video to come Monday. And yeah, other than that, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And as always, you guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1. On Instagram at PartyMonster05. Hell, you can even follow me now on Trends at PartyMonster05 if you guys want to and everything. But other than that, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye. Catch me at Rolling Loud. I'll be out there all weekend. Love y'all.